òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ bí ìsọkúsọ ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí arákùnrin yìí sọ. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo fídíò yìí. Ọ̀rọ̀ ni torí ní ìgbà kan gbogbo alamọ̀ kí dọ́là tó wọn mú wọn, gbogbo alamọ̀ iye tí wọ́n ń ta epo, gbogbo alamọ̀ iye tí wọ́n ń ta bag of rice, gbogbo alamọ̀ iye tí ń ta gàrí, tí wọ́n ń ta ẹ̀wà, even owó mọ́tò, owó ọ̀kadà, gbogbo alamọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n láyé ìsìn ńkọ́ gbogbo nǹkan ti gbówó lérí. Báwo wá ní 2023 ó ṣe rí? Bàbá yìí sọ̀rọ̀, mo fẹ́ kẹ́yin náà wo fídíò ìkẹfì tí gbọ́. But please share this program.
It was our conviction that we will build an egalitarian society, an inclusive society, where the common man would be the bedrock of our policy, and that the son of Mr. Nobody can be Mr. Somebody. Today, this is not what is obtained in the country, and our party, which we had labored and sacrificed to form, had become comatose. We were accusing the PDP of constitutional infractions, dictatorial tendencies, and high-handedness. And we said, and we told the Nigerian people, and they have accepted and voted for us, that we could do better than them, and that when we come, we will provide leadership, we will do constitutional democracy, where everybody can have the right and the opportunity to aspire to any position, and so get, if the people give him the mandate. And it is also on record that we will secure life and property of every Nigerian. It is also on record that as at then, when we were so piffed off that petrol was selling for 87 naira, a bag of rice was selling for 7,000 naira, and that a dollar was selling for 157 or 160 naira, we felt we could do better. We could bring the price of petrol to 40 naira. We could get the bag of rice being sold for 4,000, 5,000 naira by reducing the hardship of the common people. But what is it that is being obtained today? Is life under this our government more meaningful again? You can be shot anytime, anytime. You can't afford, for those of us who are Muslims, if we want to go to Kano from Abuja, it is not the length of time from Abuja to Kano, 5 hours, that is the matter. We have to sleep throughout the night, praying God that we should be taken to our destination safely. That is not the kind of society